So guys, I got a backdrop. It was my lighting. Okay, there we go. Excuse my voice. I'm like sick as fuck. I look a hot fucking mess. I'm like been sick for the past week and a half. I just got out of breath just saying that. So I just wanted to show you guys how I came up with this DIY cheap as hell backdrop. It's not perfect as you see, but I like it, and I got it's gold fabric on top of black fabric, so I can always like switch it up, and you can always get any type of fabric that you want to get. So I just wanted to show you guys what I did to do this cheapest way of backdrop. Backdrops are always really cheap anyway. They're really inexpensive. It's just some of them come like really big. I don't have that much space in my room, so this is kind of a DIY quick way to come up with this backdrop. So I'm going to show you guys like how I came up with it, what I bought. Let me actually show you guys the box. Hold on one second. Okay, so what I bought was a rolling gourmet rack at Walmart, and it was $8.88 or $8.98, something like that. So less than 10 bucks to get it, and it looks like this. So it's just like you can get it in those in like the closet aisle, I guess you can say, like the, you know, where you make your own closets and things like that. So it's just this, and it comes with like the wheels on the bottom and stuff, but I didn't put those on just because I don't necessarily need them. It's good to have them, that way you can just roll it around wherever you want to roll it. So I got this, and then I got 2 yards of fabric. I got 2 yards of black fabric and 2 yards of this gold fabric. This gold fabric, I love it, but holy shit, is it like it's just really glittery, so you lose like all the glitter off of it. Is all over my floor when I was doing this, all over my floor. And also I just got what do you call those, like those binder clips, but you can buy the ones, I didn't have them. I went to 3 different Walmarts and they didn't have the ones that you can buy. They're like the big black clips that you can actually buy. You can just squeeze it on the sides so that it can hold your fabrics together. So you can do that. It's really inexpensive. I probably spent let me see, less than 20 bucks. I know that, less than 20 bucks, because the rack I said was either $8.88 or $8.98. I'll link it down below where you can get it. I think, if I'm not mistaken, on the website it's probably like $2 or $3 more than the actual store. And then I got 2 yards of fabric. That was, the black fabric was $3, and then the gold fabric was, I think, $4 if I'm not mistaken. So that alone, that's probably less than 17 bucks. And then I got the binder clips at Dollar Tree. But like I said, the black clips would be better. Those are, if I'm not mistaken, they're like $6-7 bucks. So roughly around $22, $23 you would spend on this. And then you can always change it. You can always get the type of fabrics that you want to get, any type of different colors. They have so many at Walmart, but I just wanted to try these. I love this black fabric. The only thing I don't like is that, like, as you see, the wrinkles, as you can say. But I mean, I think it looks pretty cool in the background, but I wish that I can, like, I don't know how I would do that, because maybe if I can like iron it, I mean, it'll get so fucked up. But I mean, I think it looks pretty cool in the background. What you think? I think it looks cool. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video, share it, tell your little girls, you know, who are getting into the makeup industry or whatever, doing a little YouTube channel. It doesn't matter what you do, get this DIY backdrop. Okay?